Yo, what is going on YouTube? I am Germ here. Today I wanted to talk a little bit about Mediaco Holding Incorporated. This is obviously, as it says, a media company. We are talking about ticker symbol MDIA here. And a lot of people had never really heard of this company before today, before maybe the last week or so, but all of a sudden this company has been going ridiculously crazy. As you can see on the screen here, up 311% during the trading day today. I'm recording this on July 12th, and it closed right around $17 after hours, trading around $14 to $15. So down a little bit, down 11% after hours, which would usually be a huge drop. But again, when you're up 300% in a single day, there's some air to be let out a little bit. You can drop 11% after hours and you can still make investors very, very happy, get people very, very excited, turn a lot of heads, get a lot of eyeballs, and generate a ton of hype. And that's just what this stock has done. I mean, again, this stock coming into the day, it closed Friday at right around $4. So almost quadrupled, or more than quadrupled since then. At the beginning of the week it was $3.40. At the beginning of the month it was $5.60. So there's been a little bit of up and down action. But today we're going to be talking about what exactly is going on with MDIA, what the future might have in store for it, and just kind of giving you guys the overall story of what this company is and what's going on. So definitely drop a like if you guys do enjoy it. I would appreciate it so much, and subscribe to stay up to date on my latest content. We're trying to hit that road to 1K, getting your guys support, getting your guys help, running those numbers up would be awesome. With that being said, here we go. So we have this article from investorplace.com talking about 6 things you need to know about Red Hot Media Co. Because obviously, again, a lot of people are talking about it, and a lot of people are wondering what exactly this company is. I mean, this is a tiny, tiny stock, $133 million market cap. Very, very small, very low key, very under the radar. But again, when you're up 300% in a day, people are going to want to find out what's going on. So the stock certainly has reason to jump up and down. The radio station has seen its share price jump more than 300% of the time of writing, and indeed a move of this size is worth diving into. I agree, that's what we're doing. Mediaco is one of those little-known, small-cap plays that has seen a lot of attention as of late. In fact, after today's massive rally, the company's market capitalization is just breaking over $130 million level. So again, that's up 300%, and it's still only $130 million. So think of what it was before today. Crazy, so small. Accordingly, investors may wonder what is going on with the stock right now. Mediaco is a company that's soaring on relatively little news. We've seen that a lot recently. Short squeezes, media hype, pump and dumps, Wall Street, Twitter, stock twits, all these different things, finding these tiny, heavily shorted, maybe overly shorted companies, low floats, and making them just go absolutely parabolic, and people are making a ton of money, and definitely losing a ton of money as well, but there's a ton of money to be made, a ton of opportunity. But again, however, looking at the short volume ratio of around 23%, it appears that some degree of short squeeze mania has hit retail investors with this play, so that's always going to get people excited, especially in this current market that we are in, the current environment that we are in. So then, again, diving into a couple more things about Mediaco. They do own and operate radio stations across the U.S., so not exactly a super exciting field, at least personally, I don't think. I'm not, looking to invest in a bunch of radio companies right at this time. It's not super interesting or exciting. The company's radio stations include WQHT-FM and WBLS-FM, stations in the New York City metro area. Mediaco has an outdoor advertising segment focused on digital billboards, bulletins, and posters in the Southeast. They provide other digital advertising and event sponsorship services. The company was founded in 2019, so relatively new, relatively small, but it has grown substantially in just 2 years. That's pretty crazy. And then to date, the company's owned and operated billboard advertisements have displayed across more than 3,500 of them across the entire country. I don't know why I couldn't read that sentence, but that's kind of what's going on with Mediaco. Again, new company, not a super exciting space, not a company that necessarily should probably be exploding right now. I mean, it sounds like they're doing good for themselves. It sounds like they're growing well, putting up big numbers, getting their name out there. But again, does this company deserve to be worth $130, $140 million? I don't know. That's for you guys to decide. If you think they're worth more than that, I guess now's a great time to buy in. If you don't, then I would definitely recommend staying away. But this does look like another social media darling, another Wall Street bets, short squeeze, low float type play. And again, when the right people hear about these things, when enough people get behind these things, you see these insane results, up 400% in the week, up 311% in the day. But that's what's going on here. Pretty much over this video today, guys. Definitely drop a like if you did enjoy it. I'd appreciate it so much. Leave a comment down below. What do you think about Mediaco, MDIA? Are you interested? Buying in, staying away, selling, keeping it on your watch list? I'd love to hear your guys' thoughts and opinions. Subscribe, stay up to date on my latest content. Hope to catch you guys in the next one. But until then, peace!